Entrepreneurship demands far more than just a good idea. It involves tough decisions, unstable days, and constant learning. Suppose you're just starting your entrepreneurial journey or already own a business. In that case, before you think about profits, tools, or even a perfect business plan, it's crucial to listen to those who have already walked this path, those who made mistakes, learned, and achieved real results. That's why we're going to share 7 tips from highly successful entrepreneurs and professionals who built solid careers and gigantic businesses. But they all have one thing in common. These tips were born from real experiences that you'll likely face at some point on your journey. It's worth listening carefully, because one of them will surely make the difference you need right now to have a successful business. So, let's dive in. 1. Delight. Don't just serve. Entrepreneurship isn't just about delivering what was promised. According to Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors in history, the secret isn't just in meeting demands or solving problems. It's about delighting your customers. This means going the extra mile, creating memorable experiences, making every customer feel like you thought of them in every detail, positively surprising them. This builds loyalty, word of mouth, and a brand that stands out, making your business your customer's preference and helping you shine in the market. So always ask yourself, how can I make this experience unforgettable for my customers? 2. Work hard every day. There's no magic formula. Success isn't luck. According to Michael Bloomberg, founder of Bloomberg LP, one of the world's largest financial information, news, and services companies, it's hard, constant, and disciplined work that makes a business grow. Being an entrepreneur means waking up early, studying, making mistakes, and trying again. It's doing what needs to be done even when no one is watching. The routine can be tiring, but results come with time, practice, and persistence. So, ask yourself daily, what can I do today that gets me closer to my goal? 3. Accept changing the plan. What we envision at the beginning isn't always what the market will embrace, and that's okay. Carrie Healy, president of Babson College, one of the world's leading business and entrepreneurship schools, reminds us that when the original plan doesn't work out as expected, it's time to reflect, analyze, and study, and if necessary, pivot. That means changing the direction or strategy of a business, usually when the initial plan isn't working or a market opportunity is identified. Keep in mind that adapting isn't failing. It's a sign of intelligence and maturity. Adjusting courses is an essential part of growth. As a practical tip, every week, analyze what worked and what can be improved. This is a living strategy. 4. Look at the present, but think about the next step. You always need to think about your product and your customers, but never stop thinking about your business as a whole. Where do you want to go? How can you scale? How can you improve what already exists? Lloyd Blankfein, former CEO of Goldman Sachs, one of the world's largest financial groups, reminds us that a vision for the future is what differentiates those who just sell from those who build something lasting. Therefore, always reflect. What are your next 3 or 5 steps for consistent growth? 5. Purpose in everything. Jack Dorsey, co-founder of Twitter, reminds us of something essential. Purpose is fuel. Knowing why you do what you do is what gives meaning to daily effort. And when hiring, look for people who share that purpose. Because skills can be taught, passion and purpose cannot. People with a sparkle in their eyes and alignment with the company's mission grow together with the business. And that makes all the difference in the daily life of a successful brand and company. So, ask yourself and others, why are we doing this? Why does it truly matter? 6. Prepare for tough days. Entrepreneurship is living on a roller coaster. There will be incredible days, and days when you'll want to give up. According to Mark Morial, president of the National Urban League, one of the largest historic civil rights organizations, the key is to be emotionally prepared throughout the journey. It's normal to feel fear, doubt, or frustration, but it's also necessary to keep a strong mind, ask for help when needed, and always remember your purpose. Remember, not every day will be good. In fact, we'll have terrible days, but every day teaches us something, and we need to carry that learning forward. 7. Clear and well-communicated strategy. Finally, Professor Michael Porter, one of the world's greatest business strategists, brings us to a fundamental point. Your brand needs a clear, unique, and relevant strategy. Do you solve a real problem? Do your customers truly understand this? Does your team know the company's focus? When everyone is clear about the direction, efforts add up, and the business gains strength. Developing a relevant and cohesive strategy is the main key to making this happen in an organized and assertive way. Keep in mind that a good strategy isn't about doing everything, but about doing what matters and doing it exceptionally well. With these 7 pieces of advice we've just shared, out of curiosity, which one do you think was the best for you? Write it in the comments so we know. So, delight your customers, work hard, adapt, plan for the future, live your purpose, prepare for ups and downs, and have a strong strategy. These are the pillars for building not just a successful business, but a meaningful entrepreneurial journey. But they are not the only ones. There are many other very important points you need to know to have a truly successful entrepreneurial journey. So, if you want to understand everything you need to know before opening your own business, watch this video that shows exactly that and will make all the difference for you. To watch it, just click on the button above or on the link we left in the description. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to know more about how to set up and manage your own business, visit our YouTube channel where we have several videos about this subject. If you liked it, share this video with your friends and family to help them too. Thanks, and see you next time.